Welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the visitor management software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Creating roles. First, create roles before creating users. This is where you create the roles to be assigned to the system users. From the main window, go to Staff Management, then select Roles. Click Create Role. Type the role title. Select from the main roles what roles you want to assign to the title mentioned above. From the subsections in each of the main roles, select the specific roles assigned to the title mentioned above. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other roles. To edit a role, edit the role, select Edit on the Action column. Edit role details, then click Update. To delete a role, select the role to be deleted. On the Action column, click Delete. When prompted, select Yes to delete. Creating users. This is where you create users for your organization. From the main window, go to Staff Management, then select Users. Click Create User. Select the user role from the drop-down list in Assign Role. Enter the name, email address, phone number and password for the new user. Click Create. Repeat the process for the other users. To edit a user, select the user, select Edit on the Action column. Edit user details, then click Update. To delete a user, select the user to be deleted. On the Action column, click Delete. When prompted, select Yes to delete. Visit category. Define visit categories before registering visitors. This is where you define the categories for your visitors. From the main window, click Visit Category. Click Create Category. Type the visit category type. Select whether it is paid or free. If it is a paid visit, type the fee. Click Create. Repeat the same for the other category visits. To edit a visit category, select the visit category, select Edit on the Action column. Edit visit category details, then click Update. To delete a visit category, select the visit category to be deleted. On the Action column, click Delete. When prompted, select Yes to delete. Registering a visitor. This is where you book all your visitors. From the main window, click Visitor. Click Create. Enter visitor details, that is, first name, last name, email address, phone number, gender, visit category, ID number, date, entry time. Upload visitor ID. Enter the office to visit and person to be visited. Enter special information like car registration. Click Create. Repeat the process for the other visitors. To print a visitor's pass, type the visitor name in the search bar, select View on the Action column. Click Visitor Pass Print. Select your printer, then proceed to print. To edit a visitor, type the visitor name in the search bar, select Edit on the Action column, edit visitor details, then click Update. To delete a visitor, select the visitor to be deleted. On the Action column, click Delete. When prompted, select Yes to delete. When the visitor leaves, type the visitor name in the search bar, select Edit on the Action column. Edit the timeout, click on Status, select Completed. Then click Update. Pre-register visitor. If you have visitors who prefer to pre-register remotely, you can share the registering link via email or WhatsApp. From the main window, click Pre-register. Click Copy link. Share link via email or WhatsApp. The visitor will do the registration at their convenience using credentials shared. Visitors reports. At the end of the day you must download and save the daily visitor reports. From the main window click Today Visitor. You can export and save the report in either PDF or Excel. Contact Diary. This is where you save all the contact details. From the main window, go to Business Management. Select Contact Diary. Select Create Contact. Enter your contact details. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other contacts. Notice board. This is where the owner puts a memo for all organization's system users. From the main window, go to Business Management. Select Notice Board. Select Create Note. Enter the notice details. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other notices. Packages. This is where the system displays the available subscription packages from us and their respective pricing. On the main window, click Pricing then Packages. After reviewing the demo, if you want to subscribe to any of our package, click Purchase Now. Proceed to pay using the payments options presented. Available payment option is PayPal or bank. Likewise, if you opt to move from one subscription package to another, select the corresponding package you want. Click Purchase Now. Proceed to pay using the payments options presented. You will automatically move to that subscription package. Transactions. This is where the system displays the subscription transaction and their status. On the main window, click Pricing then Transactions. You can print the list or export in either of the formats presented. For more clarifications on the above demo video or technical support, kindly reach us out through the comment section below or email us at info@vistormanagementsystemsoftware.online.